Welcome to eLab. Today I'm going to start a project in Revit based on a real site. Here I've got an interesting site. I am going to build a studio apartment, a general shop, and workshop, and a small coffee shop there. Let's check out how to generate architectural deliverables with 3D visualizations, precise engineering and technical drawings with 3D cut sections, material details, working details, and so on. I'm going to start from a basic site. I have a sketch of the site with the directions and dimensions here in my sketchpad. So let's start. In Revit, my second site, property line, draw a straight line, angular line of 57 feet. Okay, DI for dimension, angular dimension. I need 12 degree or 13 degrees of pick the line, make it 12 degree. Okay, perfect, delete it. Now pick the line and go right side to a 12 degree angle, 55 feet. Okay, go upward 15 feet and rightward to 100 feet. Then again to upward 60 feet. Okay, here within the reference of this line. Okay, close the loop. Trim and extend. Delete. Okay, here is my property line. Now I am going to use the floor tool to draw a road. So floor road. Here's the line. Okay, parallel to this side line. Now offset it 12 feet. Okay, 12 feet. Offset. Okay, extend this line. Okay, extend this one and close the loop now. Trim and extend, split it, then again trim and extend, fillet. Okay, close another loop, trim and extend. Now close this loop and extend it. Finish. Okay, now please fix the position of the road. Here I have got my site almost ready, but the site is not oriented to the north or building orientation I am going to draw. So I need to change the orientation. By default it is project north, so I need to make it true north. Then go to manage, then coordinates, rotate true north to left side means 12 degree. Okay, now it seems all right for drawings. Now now let's fix the road. Okay, with the fillet. Now smooth this one, this corner. Okay, perfect. Now my site is ready for my building. Now go to site. Oh, I've got 2 ponds here, but okay, let's assign some materials with this pond. Create water body. Okay, appearance. Go to my appearance, side work, type here water. Here is the water. Hit it. Okay, but I don't see any colors. So what do we need to do? Water body, change appearance. Maybe there is something wrong. Oh, I see. Here it is. I need to pick the pad, water body pad. Okay, now assign materials, water body. Okay, now it's okay. Now let's change the materials of the edge here. water body to make it dark. Okay, appearance is the color. Okay, uh, fine. Now change the property of this one. Okay, assigned. Let's elevate this to 150 millimeter above the ground. Okay, here is my site almost ready, but I don't see any hash pattern when it is in black and white mode. So let's create some hash. Go to thin line and make 600 by 600 box and case something like this. So select this pattern, go to Revit, make pattern, type here water hash pattern WP. So be sure it's model pattern, create filter. Okay, pick these two points. Okay, done. Now assign these materials. Okay, model pattern WP. Okay, let's check it out. Fine. HL for hidden line. Here's my hash pattern. Now let's create some more hash patterns. Similarly, here's another angle tiled pattern. Okay, create pattern, angle. Okay, angle. Create pattern, pick these points. Okay, now assign this to okay pavement. Fine. Now by category, create new, rename it to pavement. Then be sure it's model pattern. Okay, then pavement. No angle. Angel angle. Okay, okay. Looks nice. Now let's create another hash pattern similarly. Okay, this one is going to be the clear face concrete pattern. Here's the hole, 12.5 mm. Okay, mirror this circle. Okay, mirror this both. Here is my pattern almost ready. Now I need the gap between these 12.5 millimeter set. Okay, I do not need these two lines, so select the pattern here, go to Revit, make hash pattern RCCFF. Now okay, create pattern and pick this point and the corner. Okay, now assign this for further uses. RCCFF. Okay, angle, create new RCCFF. Model pattern RCCFF. Okay, here's my ready. Yes, I can change the scale here. Okay, here's perfect. Fine. We can use these patterns for next works. Let's build now. Here goes my studio apartment. Then okay, then here goes my shop. Okay, here is the workshop WF. Now draw more walls inside make it more functional. Here go the awareness of trim these lines. Stress it. Uh, then move it. Let's create a gate here. Draw the wall, split the wall, and trim and extend. Here I need to load families. I need the door, so load family, go to libraries, Imperial, US metric, pick here. Here's the door. That's what is the parameter to edit this door. Okay. Uh, Here's the parameter. So change the width and height here to 400. Okay, fine. Copy it. Okay. So it's a parametric door, so we can resize it to any dimension. Now draw some curtain wall exterior glazing, embed it here. Okay, automatically cut through. Is the glazing. Okay, now lower the height, level 1, match property, match the property. Okay, now pick and connect it to level 2, level 1. Let's create a roof over. Okay, DI for dimension 600. Here's the dimension 600. Okay, fix it. Now it's ready, but it's look ugly, so okay. Now thickness is not okay, so change the thickness of that one. Go to level 2. Here change the orientation, project orientation, project not the true not the okay. 75 mm. Duplicate it 75 mm. Okay, load the family here. Metric. Load. Now place some door in the plan. Okay, there's the door goes. After placing all of the doors, we can create more shutter for the shop. Place it in here. But I need 3 door here, so reduce the dimension. Make 3 part. It would be easier for me. We can use reference line. Okay, we can use reference line RP for reference line. Okay, so DI for dimension. Click here, here, and here. Now hit the EQ button. Okay, now it's equal. We can delete it. AL, pick the line. Okay, hit it, aligned. So mirror this line. Okay, move a little bit, then mirror again. Now let's make it center. DI, pick the center. Okay, hit EQ, equal. Now go to mirror and mirror it. Now perfectly aligned. Delete this dimension, delete these reference lines. Now let's create some sheets. Go load the family, library, choose metric, title blocks. I would prepare a 2 metric. Okay, new, make some more sheets for several drawings. So repeat this process for several times and rename it to the drawings. Rename it to the drawing list and other related name. Rename it again. Repeat this process again for several times. Now repeat this process for several times. When the sheet is ready, then go to view, create sheet list. Okay, go to sheet name, pick this one and the number, pick one. Go up, sheet number. Okay, now sorting by the number. Okay, it's ready. Now place it on the sheet of drawing list, in the drawing list sheet. Not this one. Okay, so sheet list, I got it. Here, place this sheet. It will automatically be updated when and sheet is placed or removed. So go to 3D view. Let's create some views to place this type isometric. Now select the view and go to section box. Crop this as required to the view. Here my isometric view is ready. I can use this letter. Now let's draw some floor, architectural generic floor 300 mm. Pick the line. Okay, check lock in place, lock it in place. Okay, pick this wall and pick this wall too. Pick this wall and lock it in place, automatically lock it in place, and then trim and extend. Trim and extend. Here goes trim and extend. Here extra line, so delete this line. Now okay, it goes in the center. Okay, remove the constraint. Trim and extend. So I need to close the loop, so draw through this. Okay, trim and extend. Now finish the floor. Edit it. Okay. In Revit, Revit is the software derived from revise and edit, so we can revise our design again and again and edit it again and again until the project is over. Let's make it more precise. DI, here goes DI, pick this two line and pick the wall you want to move, so 1000. Okay, it is done. Then DI again and pick this line and this line. Now pick the wall you want to move, so 1200. Okay, perfect. Now let's draw a wall here. Create similar. Draw. Okay, stretch it. Now edit boundary. Pick this line. Trim and extend. Trim and extend. Okay, not okay. Here's an extra line, so delete it. Finish. Now fix the edge of the curve. Okay. Now let's go to elevation south. As you can see, this is not orthogonal to the eye. So we can change the elevation. We can create some more elevations for right angled view. Okay, delete this elevation and delete all of the elevations and this one. So delete extra materials. We do not need this anymore. So delete this elevation too. Now place the elevations. Okay, go near to wall. It will automatically be oriented. Okay, place a wall. Near to the wall, automatically be oriented. Place this one, north elevation. Okay. Okay. Now rename it to south. Gradually change all of the names and then fix the range, view range for all of the elevations and so let's check the 3D here. Surface elevated minus 300 millimeter downward. Finish. Now pick the road and elevate it to downward minus 150 mm. Now it seems okay, but here the floor is matching. So let's create a floor. Go to level 1. Copy this floor. Okay. Edit it. Edit the boundary. Now, okay. Pick the rectangle. Let's draw some pedestrian. Okay. This line. Here the loop for the vehicle. Now, okay, fine. Now stop here and downward. Here goes the okay. Stop here. Now this is my pedestrian with the angle pattern style I have created. Okay. Now let's change the floor to pavement. Okay, perfect. Now looking nice. Let's crop these views. Let's fix the location of the project site. As I go to local context, I know the coordinates. So type here the latitude and longitude 98 degrees something. Apply here. Okay. I apply. Okay, done. But side plan is looking nice, but we can enhance the lighting, reduce the shadow. Now let's create some floor for the studio apartment. Here the floor goes. I need more floors, so place it in the right place. Edit. Okay, go to site. Now tier for trim and extend. Tier. Okay. Delete these lines. Fine. finish it. Here, here it goes. This line need to be reduced to 2000 millimeter boundary wall here. Okay. Now I do not need this door, so delete it. Okay, go to site and make some sections. Reduce the view range. Crop it. Crop this one and crop it. Let's make another section here. Okay, crop it. Crop the view. Okay, now let's check out the view. Is differentiated mode. It seems that I need some transparency. All of the walls are opaque, so let's create some transparency. Okay, go to level 1, WA for wall, and change it to glazing, exterior glazing, and then draw some walls. Okay, curtain on here. Draw. Here is the west side, so here it goes. So another curtain wall. Okay, now it seems better, but I need some more floors. So reduce the thickness to 150 mm plus 50 mm floor finish. Now edit the structure to 150 mm and insert another layer for 50 mm finish layer. Okay. Now let's copy some more floors, then place the floor in the right position. Okay, now let's go to south view and HL for hidden line, drop shadow. It seems that extend the extend the level line. I need some more levels. Drawing. Fine. Now it needs to be elevated up to the level 4. So level 4. Okay, offset property, make it 0. Fine. Now pick the line and isolate the category. Select all the walls and unconnected it to level 4. Okay. Reset. Perfect. It seems that I need to change the wall pattern. Select the wall, edit type, but it seems I need to change the scale of this face. So go to RCC, since 0.5 to 1. Here it is looking okay right now. So crop this view for here is section 1. Let's change the property of the floor here. Finish layer structure. Finish layer gypsum wallboard, and here RCC floor concrete. Okay, here is the section. The upper white portion is finished layer and black dark structure of the floor. Now let's create some 3D views for this project. Let's change the visibility, graphics and properties. Okay, realistic mode. I don't need realistic mode. Go to hidden line, or shaded mode is better. HD for shaded mode. Go to visibility, graphics, settings and background. Change it to gradient, blue, sky blue. Okay, apply. Now it looks better. Okay. Visibility, graphics by materials. Unnecessary. Another view. Okay. Change the visibility, graphics similarly. HD shaded mode here. And drop shadow. Cast shadows and show ambient shadows. Increase the light and reduce the shadows. The background, change the background. Okay, look better. It looks better. So here my drawings are ready for primary stage. Now let's place these drawings and views in the sheet. Not this one. Okay, level 2, view 2, view 2, fine, and place the view 1. Take as much time as you need to organize all of these sheet materials perfectly. Similarly, organize all of the drawings in your sheet and fix the scale for visibility, better visibilities. Let's create another section here. Hidden line is better, so draw the shadows. Hinge. After organizing all of the sheets, Ctrl P for printing Adobe PDF. Current window, not the current window. Select views and sheets. Change it to A2. Okay. Zoom to 100%. Now everything seems okay. Now combine all of the sheets into a single file. Select, uncheck the views. Select all the sheets. Okay, now set a drawings. Save it as set a drawings. And save it as PDF file, and let's wait for a while. Okay. Check it out. Here is all of my sheets combined into a single file. Let's check out the drawings. Geometry primary drawing seems okay, but I need to revise and edit all of the drawings to make it more perfect. And thanks for today. See you next time.